Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix blurry story on Facebook. To fix a blurry Facebook story, you need to follow these steps. So here, first thing, you want to open the Facebook app and log into your account. So after you're logged into your Facebook account, what next you want to do is on this page, you then simply want to go ahead and tap on the menu bar from the top right and go to settings. So when you go to the settings section, then under settings, you want to click on privacy. You want to go ahead and tap on preferences. There comes the media tab, right? So right on this page, you want to make sure to go to video quality, and then you want to go ahead and tap on it. As you go to the video quality section, you want to select optimize instead of data saver to ensure high resolution for your stories and posts as well. And this way you'll be able to fix blurry story on Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.